and welcome to the Roland Studio. Thank you for joining me today. Today, I am going to be showing you the altered paintbrush that I made for the very first time. And I made this altered paintbrush in response to Abril Martinez, a crafter in the rough, which is an artist on YouTube. She is the administrator of my group, Out of the Box Creations, a Roland Studio affiliate. This is my Facebook group. If you'd like to join, please click the description box below and click the link below to the group and then answer 3 questions and you're in the group. Please also agree to the rules. This challenge is running until the 14th of November. If you hurry up and get over to the group, answer the 3 questions, alter your brush, and post it in our album section, and make sure that you put in the altered brush challenge, then you can be eligible for the drawing that Miss Abril is hosting and giving away a $25 gift certificate to the online store SpectrumArtsCreations.com. That store is the store this gift certificate is coming from, which is a mutual friend of ours, and she also has a YouTube channel by the name of SpectrumArt, Madi Azar. And Madi Azar has her channel, and she is also called the M&M Show because her wonderful daughter Madison is her co-host on the show. So please go by and not only check out their store, but also go by and click on the description and join her YouTube channel. We also have another mutual friend, Kateri's Crafty Ideas, and she has a Facebook group, and there we all share our artwork as well as in my group. So please don't miss your chance to join in this fabulous altered paintbrush. Mine's running a little bit late, but I'm trying to get this video out so that you can also have a chance to win a wonderful prize from Miss Abril. Thank you, Abril, so much for being such a wonderful friend and a great administrator for the Out of the Box Creations. I am absolutely beside myself for the person that you are. Thank you so much. And thank you so much for hosting this month's challenge. Well, it was actually October's challenge that ran into November. She extended it till the 14th. You still have time to get in, so get over there and get your entries in. Now, at this point, I want to explain what I've done. This is what I call my Stefsart.Artstroidinary. And Stefsart.Artstroidinary is a takeoff of chinoiserie. Chinoiserie is the Chinese art that you see in the blue and white plates, also known best as the willow plates. I have a full series on this of different art that I am doing, so please check out the playlist. I will try to put it at the end of the end screen so that you can check out the playlist of all my Stefsart.Artstroidinaries. This is just another entry to what I love to do, and I plan to do more Stefsart.Artstroidinaries in the future. And if you're inspired, please make sure that you hashtag the OOTBC for any anything that you might do and being inspired by Stefsart.Artstroidinary. Make sure that you hashtag that. And also on Instagram. I appreciate it very much. Otherwise, I also do many other things like wire wrapping jewelry. Now, it's been a minute, so it's a little rough looking, I do admit, but it's okay. It was for the paintbrush, and I had fun doing a free flow as well as some structural wire wrapping on this. I also have a series of doing the Dollar Tree gemstones, and here you will see that I put some chinoiserie material behind that gemstone as well as those little gemstones, and I took some hot glue and I made it look like the brush was dipped into the paint and it was dripping off of there, and I also finished it off with some glossy accents. I then did some alcohol inking on the back, and then I used my alcohol markers as well as a gel pen to do a quick little Stefsart drawing on the back of the brush. Not an easy task, and I was tired, and it was at the end of my shift today, so I'm just trying to get this out in time so that you guys can also have a chance to join in the fun. You don't have to make a Stefsart style brush, but you can certainly do your own style brush. But try to do that brush by the 14th. We will be doing the drawing after that, or Miss Abril will be doing that. But make sure you get into the group and get aboard. Also, don't forget to check out the other Facebook group besides Out of the Box Creations, which is Kateri's Crafty Ideas. And don't forget to stop by these ladies' YouTube channels. They all have channels. All the links are below or at the end screen. Please check them out. I'm showing you this brush. And this is a voiceover because my original recording for some reason didn't come through. So I know what my fingers are pointing at isn't matching. But I did hand paint this rose on a Dollar Tree gemstone. And after I painted it, I finished it off with an epoxy to seal the painting, and then I wire wrapped it and attached it to this brush. I had a lot of fun making this. It was so much fun, and you can see that the paint looks wet on the bottom of this, and that is due to that glossy accent. And of course I had to Stephanize it and bling it out and paint it. So this is just kind of a little bit of me all in one in this paintbrush. But don't forget to check out my playlist on the Stefsart series. Soon there will be some other things coming up with that as well. Oh, and don't look at my dirty truck. I do drive truck, and I craft in my bed area as well. And so it's a mess. I don't even know why I showed that, but there it is. But don't forget that to comment, like, share. And those other beads that you see were ceramics from either Michael's or Hobby Lobby. I can't remember from whence I got them. But I hope that you really like my first paintbrush. I so enjoyed making this. I have another Stefsart paintbrush that's already in prep that I plan to do. And then I have a couple of other ideas that I'd like to execute on these brushes as well. Thank you, Abril, for the inspiration. I have never done a paintbrush, but you have inspired me, and I am absolutely taken by the brushes that you have made. They're incredible. I love them, and I loved making this, and I had so much fun. Thank you for the challenge. Thank you for being the administrator in the group. Thank you for hosting, and thank you for the gift, and thank you for being my friend. I appreciate all that you do. God bless you. God bless you all. I'm going to let you finish just taking a look at this brush. And if you have any questions, comments, please make sure you put them in the description box. I'm good with constructive criticism, but if you're ugly, you'll be deleted. It's just that simple. We've got enough hate in this world. I don't need yours. Okay, so anyways, have a beautiful and blessed day. I love you all, and thank you for joining the Roland Studio, and thank you for coming over and joining our group, the Out of the Box Creations, a Roland Studio affiliate Facebook group. We will see you in the future. We will see you in our challenges, and we'll see you later. Thanks. Bye.